Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to root your phone and how to install a custom ROM on it. I will be rooting my phone with the super one-click method. I found it the easiest and the fastest way, and I will be installing a CyanogenMod 7 on my LG Optimus 2X. You will have to download Super One Click, the link is provided in the description, and also if you want you can download CyanogenMod 7, which is also probably the best ROM for LG Optimus 2X. After downloading the Super One Click zip file, you'll have to open it and just extract everything in a new folder. We will call it Super One Click, just to make it a bit quicker, and just extract everything in that folder. You open it up and now you've got your Super One Click files in that folder. It will work without any installation, you just extract it anywhere on your computer. Now when we have done that, we have our LG Optimus 2X. Let me just turn it on, and you will have to go into your settings, find applications, development, and make sure the USB debugging is ticked. Click OK. After that, you will have to take your USB connector, plug it in your computer, and then plug it in your phone. The phone will say USB connected. Select to copy files from your computer, and USB debugging connected. That must show up if you want to root your phone successfully. Then we'll go out and go back to our computer. Now you just open up the folder Super One Click and run Super One Click. Just to tell you that my phone is on 2.3.4 gingerbread. It is the updated LG Optimus 2X version. Once the phone is connected, USB debugging on, and SD card not mounted, you will just have to click root. There might not be much writing and showing on the screen, but it will work, and after a couple of seconds, actually minutes, it will root your phone. Now my LG Optimus is restarting. As you can see, root install has completed. Would you like to run a test? You can run a test, and you just need to wait now for your phone to boot. It will boot on the stock ROM, but it will be rooted. Okay, now when my phone has booted up and is fully and Super One Click has fully done its job, to check if you're rooted, you will have to click applications, and you will have to find in your applications list an application called Super User. If you have that application, that means you are successfully rooted. Now we will install the custom ROM, CyanogenMod 7. So first you go on Google Play Store and just type in here ROM Manager. Open ROM Manager, click here, install it. It's a free app, pretty simple. 2.5 megabytes. Wait while it's downloading, installing. Okay, click open. Click OK. And now you got this application. First, you got a couple of settings. I will not review this application. I'll just say what you gotta do. So you have to click Flash Clockwork Mode Recovery. You choose your and actually confirm your phone model. You can see bar filling. It's basically installing your recovery mode. Okay, and here you see super user request. You have to click allow a couple of times, and it's successfully flashed clockwork mode recovery. So now we will install custom ROM on this phone. You can install custom ROM from SD card, you can download, and you can check for ROM updates. Currently I have a stock ROM, and I will try to install my custom ROM. First we will have to backup a current ROM. You can give your ROM a name. I'll just keep it default and click OK. It will reboot your phone, start clockwork mode recovery, and back up your phone so you can recover it if anything goes wrong. So I will here just go down with the volume keys, and I will just click backup and restore. You click the search button to go, and it's just backing up everything on your phone. I will fast forward this process. Alright guys, I skipped to this part where it says backup complete. Sure, you can see, and it just takes you back to your clockwork mode recovery, and we will just you can just reboot system now. This was optional step, but it is very useful, because if you mess up something on your custom ROM, if you just want to go back to your stock ROM, and the ICS update for LG Optimus 2X is coming soon, so if you want to go to stock ROM update to ICS, you can do that simply by restoring this backup. Okay, so it booted up my phone normally. You can see everything is fine. Okay, I have booted my phone up. I go to applications, ROM manager, and I have my backup over here, so if anything goes wrong I can just simply restore it. Now we will install a custom ROM. I will be installing CyanogenMod 7. It is probably the most popular ROM for all Androids, and I will be installing it by ROM manager with the install from SD card option. Now we will go to our computers just to see the ROM we've downloaded and how we are going to copy it on our SD card to install it. Okay guys, now when we are on our desktops, we see CyanogenMod 7. We will just have to copy it on our SD cards on our phones. So we will have to plug in the cable of our phones. When it plugs in, then you have to click in notification bar USB connected and click turn on USB storage. Click OK. So now once we've plugged in our USB cable, we will have to find or remove the discs. Here both removable discs, and just paste in on your SD card one of the SD cards. You will have to paste the whole zip file. Okay, so now just click here and click copy to remove the disk I. So now once we've done that, you have nothing to do with your computer anymore. You'll have to open up your ROM manager, plug the cable out, click applications, ROM manager. You got all the backups here, and we will have to click install a ROM from SD card. You just go down, down, and It's actually my external SD card, so I will go down, CyanogenMod mode, and just click wipe data and cache, and wipe Dalvik cache, and click OK. And now it will reboot in clockwork mode recovery and install the ROM, just to show you what it basically does. See? Clockwork mode recovery, waiting for SD card to mount, SD card mounted, referring SD card marker, ROM manager. Date, preparing to install ROM, formatting cache, data, and it will do it for about 5 minutes, so I will just skip it until it does the reboot, like I did it when we made our backup. So it's done and it reboots my phone. You'll have to wait a bit for the first boot. It will do a bit longer than usual. And we can see right away it's CyanogenMod 7. I hope you will be satisfied with the ROM. That's it with the programming. I will show you a bit of the ROM. Just to tell you, this ROM doesn't include Google apps, which are apps like Google Maps, Google Play Store, Google Navigation, but you can easily install those apps by actually just downloading them and installing them from Clockwork Mode Recovery as just click install zip from SD card. You just pick that zip and it will install all the Google apps you need. So here it is, CyanogenMod 7. First it runs with .adv launcher. I just install Go launcher, I prefer it. And you have file manager right away here, accept, continue, all the files in here. Nice looking notification bars, switches, amazing. It's pretty better than the stock ROM, but I will say again, ICS is coming in the third quarter in 2012. Wait for that. Back up your stock ROMs and restore them when it comes out. Just install it. I'm hoping that they will make it better than any custom ROM. So this is my first video, guys. Don't be critical, don't be strict with me. I hope I helped you. I did my best, and I will make many other videos in future. So guys, see you, peace, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe, comment, rate, favorite, whatever you want. If you like my channel, I will be updating my videos channel, and see you next time.